PDF files are everywhere, but editing, merging, or signing them can feel like a hassle, especially if you're on a budget. But what if I told you that you don't need expensive software to do it? In this video, I'll show you the best free tools for managing your PDFs. Let's dive in. We're covering three main tasks: editing text and images in PDFs, merging or splitting PDFs, adding digital signatures to PDFs. I'll compare a few free tools and walk you through how to use each one step by step. The first tool on our list is Smallpdf. It's free to use with limitations on the number of daily edits, but perfect for occasional users. Go to smallpdf.com and click on Edit PDF. Drag and drop your file into the uploader. You can click on any text box to edit or move it. Need to add an image? Click the Add Image button, upload your file, and position it where you like. But what if you need advanced features like annotation? Try PDFescape, another free online tool. PDFescape lets you add sticky notes, highlight text, and even draw directly on your PDF. It's a great option for students or professionals. Next, let's talk about merging and splitting PDFs. My favorite tool for this is iLovePDF. It's super straightforward. Choose Merge PDF or Split PDF from the menu. Upload multiple files, drag them to rearrange the order, and hit merge. Your new file is ready to download in seconds. And for splitting, just select the pages you want to extract, click Split PDF, and download the file. Finally, let's cover how to sign PDFs for free. One of the best tools for this is Sejda, another fantastic free tool for working with PDFs. It's free for files up to 50 megabytes or 200 pages, which makes it perfect for most personal and professional tasks. On the homepage, click on Sign PDF, upload your document by dragging and dropping it or selecting it from your computer. Sejda offers a super simple interface. Once your file is uploaded, click the Sign button. You can draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, type your name and choose from stylish fonts, or upload an image of your signature. Place your signature in the required spot, adjust its size, and save your document. After signing, click Apply Changes and download your signed PDF instantly. No registration required. Here's a quick comparison of these tools. Smallpdf, great for basic editing with some daily limits. PDFescape, perfect for annotations and basic edits. iLovePDF, best for merging and splitting PDFs. Sejda, ideal for signing, merging, and editing PDFs with a free limit of 3 tasks per hour. All these tools are browser-based, so you don't need to install anything. Just make sure your internet connection is secure, especially when handling sensitive documents. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips about PDF. See you next time.